Hello guys. I just want to tell you how to lose weight after pregnancy. So, I am 5'4". My height is 5'4", with I was 50 kilograms. So, nung nabuntis ako, during my third trimester, during my pregnancy, I became 80 kilograms. So, naano ako ng 30 kilograms. Nagtimbang ako ng 80 kilograms. So, after, nung kakapanganak ko, nagbawas agad ako ng 6 kilograms because my kid was 3.1 kilograms. So, I was 74. And pagkatapos nun, I just focus on my breastfeed, being healthy without soda. I rested 3 months. I did not do anything, just a little bit. But after 3 months, I started to walk and avoided soda again and just trying to be healthy. And after 6 months, I lost about 60. Oh, no, sorry. I lost about 10 kilograms. So I became 66. So in short, after a year, I lost 20 kilograms. I became 60. Tapos nagbe-breastfeed ako. The length of my how I breastfeed was about 1 year and 1 month. Tapos I became 60, and then after nun, kumakain naman ako and umiinom ng maraming cocktails because I was really hungry. I was thirsty, in short. And after 1 month, I gained another 2 kilos, which made me unhappy. So I don't like to be unhappy because my family will be happy if I'm unhappy. So I said I need to fix myself again. I love to be 50 again. So what I did was calorie deficit 3 times a week, 4 kilometers running, and then after 1 month I lost 6 kilograms, and then now I am 56 kilograms and 6 kilograms to go. So toy mga mommy, kaya natin to. So good luck, sana you can do it also like me. Bye. God bless.